in. Our phones are ringing. Let's go ahead and take our first phone call. This is Frank.
My granddaughter had a wreck about a year and a half ago, and we're still waiting to hear from the insurance company and the lawyer. Every time we go down there, he needs more paperwork. And I was wondering, how long does it take to settle a case like that? Because she's getting the hospital bills, and everything.
Sounds like a frustrating situation there. So what advice do you have for Frank?
Yeah, well, short answer, as lawyers always say, it depends, right? It's going to depend on, what type of case, right? What the treatment is, things like that. These cases can take a very long time, right? Some cases take longer than others. Whether you're able to resolve it before a lawsuit's filed or whether you have to file a lawsuit and ultimately get to trial, right? So there's schedules involved in all of that. So some cases could go for many, many years, right? It's just going to depend on the circumstances of that specific case. So based on Frank's question, I don't really know what that case involves, right? It could involve, significant medical treatment where they're treating for a long time, or it could be, they're having a hard time getting in touch with the insurance company. I'm not sure, but they can definitely take a long time, but your lawyer should be able to provide you with an update about where you are, right? Where in the case are you? What have they done? What are they expected to do? And what's coming your way.
And so over that question where he says bills are coming in, is that something they just really need to take to their attorney?
Yeah, and I would definitely get those to your attorney because it kind of depends as well on whether or not insurance is involved or whether those bills are coming to you directly. Sometimes they send you bills, right, but your insurance is still paying it. If insurance is involved, medical insurance I'm speaking about, we usually as lawyers put them on notice early on that, hey, we have a potential claim here, so we can reimburse them at the end. But I would definitely recommend getting that to your lawyer.
All right. Thanks for that advice for Frank there.